So currently trying to get the inner CV joint back together. It pulled out as I was doing the wishbone, and when I put it back together, right, even with adjusting the rollers on here, and I can't do it without the hands, it will not fit back in by a fraction, and I've tried everything in different angles. So next attempt, heating it up on the basis that the cup will expand enough for these rollers to drop in. My last chance. And result, it just popped in. So there we go. What a plan, heating it up. Hope it helps someone. Right, so the next problem is to get the ball joint in, which was getting particularly difficult. However, what I've done is undone the front of the wishbone bolts, so it rotates in there, and it rotates quite easily. This strap, ignore that strap, I had that on pulling it down, but it's not needed, so it's undone. And then I've jacked up the hub on a jack, but I have put a strap round the front of the chassis and then round the jack-in point there to stop the whole hub from pulling out again, because last time it did that, it pulled the CV joint apart here, and then that was a pain because I had to heat it up, take it out, take the drive shaft out and heat it up to get it in, but that was another little tip. And then once you've moved it, it is sitting right in line now. That was very easy actually to get in there. So the next bit I'm expecting to do is to drop the jack down so that goes through, put the nut on the end, and then I may have to use one of the ratchet straps to pull the arm back into place to line up with the bolts on there, but I think that's going to be much easier seeing as there's a hole there. So let's give that one a go.